have a lot of questions about virtual autism. Now, what is virtual autism? Virtual autism is something that mimics autism, or it looks that the child is having autism, but the features of autism are secondary to something. Now, what is it secondary to? It is secondary to lack of stimulation. मतलब बच्चा बहुत टाइम स्क्रीन देख रहा है. The child has not been stimulated by humans. He is continuously on screen. He has continuously been watching mobile, TV, and very less of social interaction, because of which the child got glued to the screen, and because of which he didn't gain any social interaction skills. So, because every time there was mobile, every time there was screen, every time there was a television, I don't know how to respond to my name. I have never looked at some other person to interact with that person. I haven't learned any language because I'm continuously on the screen. So, because of this, the child starts looking like a child with autism and having features of autism. Like the child is not making an eye contact, the child is not responding to his name, the child is lacking language skills, the child is lacking social skills. But the cause of this is because there was a lot of screen stimulation. Because the child was continuously without any human interaction. The child was without any human stimulation. Because of that, the child didn't learn skills. Usually, children learn skills by seeing people, looking at people, interacting with people. If these things are not there, the child doesn't learn skills. Though this child is not learning skills or is looking like an autism child, because he hasn't learned skills because there was lack of stimulation. These kids, if we start stimulating, like the moment these kids are put in school, or they start going to a play center or a daycare, and the screen time is reduced or the screen time is stopped, they start interacting with people, they start getting stimulations from the social interaction, and they start speaking, they start making an eye contact, they start recognizing their name. So the moment the environment is changed, the moment the environment is made a bit more social and stimulating, these features of autism starts reducing. This term of virtual autism came into a lot of notice by the people as well as by the doctors during the time of COVID and post-COVID. Because during the time of COVID, majority of the kids who were born during that time, in that 1-2 years when there has to be a lot of interaction with people, with kids, with other ones in the playground or in the daycare, was not happening because they were in the room. And moreover, because they were in a nuclear family, both the parents were working, they were busy in their own workplace or maybe working from home, the kid was given the screen a lot. Because of this, the child, when they actually put him in school after 2 years or 2.5 years, the child had nothing but he behaved as if he is autistic, or he behaved as if he has features of autism because of the lack of stimulation. The moment school started picking up, in the next 6 months, the child started becoming normal and all the interactions started coming up. This feature is known as virtual autism. It's not very well recognized by doctors in general. That means it's not a term that is there in the book, but yes, after the COVID, it has come up in notice by many doctors and many people, and that's why the term of virtual autism has come up.